it. Mom.
We talk to one side more than the other. Protocol is a subphone approach from here, but I never get it all. Well, the surgeon in San Francisco said that even if you just got a little bit of symptoms, for now, well, we'll take any relief that we can get. But I know the risks, and I've done my research. And you were successful on 87% of your surgeries last year. So we want the surgery, and we want you to do it. I'd like to try something else. Specifically, I'd like to come in from here, from above. I think I'd have a much better visualization, and I think I could get it all. None of the 8 other neurosurgeons we talked to even suggested that. Because it's never been done before. What is this? When you're passing between 2 hemispheres, so there's a greater risk of injury, including short-term memory loss, stroke, and that. No, I can't do that. I understand. We would do. A subphone approach is a very standard procedure. You'll find in other surgeons. I'll find to do that. Can I see the list before you talk to me? Yes, but I'd rather have you. Dr. Samuelson is fantastic. You guys know. It is very nice meeting you. It's a very information. So why did I just have Larry write a thing to refuse to save the life of a teenage daughter? It was a consult for an HH tumor. I told her that with a transcolossal approach, I could get it all. She didn't want to take the risk. So do it the old-fashioned way. There are plenty of surgeons in San Francisco as qualified as I am to do that. They want you. They want the play.
We start
I will do
with
it.
better.
We're back.
Like our fresh, never frozen dough made from 6 simple ingredients. And our dough can save you time. Get two or more protein favorites for just $6.99 each. Order now on the app or on the dough.
Montreal's unique vibe is hard to describe, so we fed thousands of listener comments into an artificial intelligence and asked it to create the ultimate